Yeah, so what's up, you guys? How's it going? What's good? You know, it's Worldofzach here, and I'm back from the video. I guess we're gonna do some makeup today, and yeah, you know, like super. I can't even hold my voice like this, bitch. Like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here. I'm back from the video. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. Oh gosh, I swear these braces are just trying to ruin me. Like they really are. Like, I'm gonna be real cute in like 2 years. But anywho, I came today to film this video for you guys because I was super inspired by sister, auntie, girl, cousin, or whatever, Nikita Dragun, and her collection with Morphe, the matte to the max like lipsticks, the new lipsticks, the Morphe got the reds and stuff like that. And I have like a look in mind that I want to do, like an easy look and whatnot. And I saw Nikita's video on her like 0 to 100 transformation and stuff like that, catfishing on a gram. So I just want to do a video similar to that, just showing you guys how pretty much how I can catfish on a gram to, or whatever, sis. Like I can go from this to, I don't even know if it's gonna be here, but you know, like you can see the this. Y'all looking at the this right now. Y'all see what I can do, you know what I'm saying? So if you really want to see that look and everything like that, and see everything else I got going on and got coming for you guys, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please, like please subscribe to my channel because I want to get to 2K. I really want 2K. I really want a lot more than 2K. That's the ultimate goal. But 2K is really close, you guys. And hello to all my new subscribers and stuff like that. What up, gang? What up, Fiona? Everything like that. What y'all doing? Like, what's going on and stuff? Like, I'm happy y'all here. Really, though, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Make sure that you click the notification bell, too, so you get notified when I post. Because I'm going to need these, like, immediate folks who notified and stuff like that to come through every single time I post. Hello, okay? For real. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up because, you know, just thumbs it up because you like it, obviously. Yeah, so I'm gonna rush a little bit right now because I actually have a date to get ready for and go to, and I'm probably gonna be late for it because that's just what I do. I'm gonna try to walk you guys through my steps and how I can just like make sure my skin and everything like that looks beautiful, flawless, and quick and easy as well, you know, because it's a gram, so it just won't look real pretty and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. So before I jump into things, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know that I already hydrated my face and got her nice and drenched and ready. Because yesterday I had like a weird like peeling situation like on my cheek and stuff like that when I was trying to film this video, which is hella weird and hella scary. I looked like a whole zombie. Like my foundation was on and like just my cheek right here was peeling and it looked disgusting. Like I don't know what's going on with my face. Like what's happening? And I was like, bitch, it's just makeup. Like go ahead and wash your face. Go get some food and whatever and just relax. And so I just relaxed. But anywho, so I also did my brows and I used the NYX Cosmetics brow pencil in the shade black for my brows and did that and concealed them up a little bit with the Colourpop concealer. And the shade is not on it no more, so I don't really know what shade it is, but it's like real golden and yellow and whatnot. So that's what I used as my base and whatnot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into everything. And the first thing I'm gonna be doing is actually color correcting because, you know, we wanna hide those dark circles. We don't want him to know that, you know, we're trying to look fishy, bitch. Like, bitch, we're trying to sell fish on the gram, basically. And if you don't know what fishy means, then, I mean, you're a little bit too young. You probably shouldn't even be watching me, honest, if you don't really know what fish means. I'm just playing. You can find out. I won't say it on here. Fishy is like what I'm gonna like at the end with the hair, makeup, and stuff like that. So use context clues or just go to the Urban Dictionary. It's just really not that hard, though. I'm sorry I'm so aggressive right now. I'm just like low-key in a rush, so I'm just talking crazy and stuff. But yeah, I'm just pretty much color correcting to hide our dark circles because as you all know, red and orangey tones will cancel out those dark tones that you have under your eyes and just make everything look more bright. So that way when you put on foundation, it won't look like you have a beard and stuff like that because I do have a beard because if you can't know, I am Zaddy Zag. So I'm a male, I'm a boy or whatever. I'm not a boy, I'm a man. I'm a grown-ass man. Now just take my Morphe White 6 brush, which is the brush I'm pretty much going to use for everything on my face, like all my liquids and stuff, and just blend out that red correct there. And so for our foundation today, I'm just going to be going in with my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Nude. I'm not really going to even try to pronounce her. I think it's Nude. I might put it on the screen because she's a little tricky bitch. Okay, she don't want to be pronounced. NARS be coming out with all these little fancy names and stuff like that. A little rude, in my personal opinion. I think it's a little rude, NARS. I put all these names on there. Can't nobody pronounce but y'all in the lab. So yeah, Rude. I'm playing, y'all. I'm playing. Nars, hey, how y'all doing? It's Worldofzach here. Love y'all much. But yeah. So I'm just taking this foundation because it's super, super pretty. It's super radiant. Makes my skin look amazing. Like, it makes my skin look like skin. Super flawless and beautiful. It gives me amazing coverage and everything. So I'm just taking that and stippling it all over my face. Ooh, bitch. I know y'all see how snatched I look. Like, concealer trying to rough me. So I'm just gonna take the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade, I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna highlight under my eyes, conceal and brighten, you know. Conceal, bake, and brighten. It don't flow together, but you remember like Sean T in the videos, the guy who like do the fitness videos and stuff like that, he's like, tuck, and tighten, tuck and tighten, tuck and tighten. I guess that's just me, so I'm just gonna, you know, gonna leave it alone. But no, really though, if you do remember Sean T, like please let me know because I don't want to be the only person on here talking about some Sean T. Nobody knows. And you guys, since that color is a little bit bright, I do like to go back in with the brush I use for my foundation and color correcting and just blend out the edges, but also go over that concealer so that way it's still getting the coverage, still getting a little bit of highlight under my eye, but it's not too crazy, too bold, and everything just mixes and blends so well and so seamlessly. Like you see, it just looks bomb. I don't know why I keep closing this palette. Like I don't need the mirror. So next up, I'm just gonna set my face really quick under my eyes and in the areas that I added concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade Medium Deep or whatever. So I mean, I know you didn't think we're gonna be walking around with a pie face or whatever. Like if we're gonna be snatching and catfishing on the gram, we have to be snatched, honey. You have to have jawline. You have to have edges, like of your face and stuff like that. Not necessarily edges, you know what I'm saying? Because I mean, you don't always have to. You know what I'm talking about. And you just want to be lifted and sculpted and whatnot. So I'm just gonna be taking the shade Played Out from the Makeup Shayla and Colourpop eyeshadow palette. I'm just gonna bring some shadows into my face and stuff and the cheeks and just give me like a real nice contour or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Just give me some contour. And I'm gonna take the shade Revenge as well from the palette and do that to like kind of bronze and warm up my cheeks, my jawline or whatever. And then I'm gonna take the shade Thick and Played Out. I mean Thick and Revenge, and you know, add it for some blush and stuff like that. Because you know, we're gonna be out in the sun, so you wanna look really cute and flirty and like, you know, all blushed and whatever, because it's real cute, like, right? See, like now we got the cheeks all blushy and stuff like that, so whenever he just looking at us and he just like, you know, giving you the eyes and you just look back with like a little, because you're not showing teeth, sis. Like you don't want him to know that you like, you know, like you like him that much, so you're not really gonna be showing teeth like that, so you're just gonna be like, do I like you? Maybe. Are you daddy? Maybe. You'll never know. Eat your heart out. Rosy, like cute.
It's not really rosy at all because it's more like reddish, orangey, burgundy tones. But you know what I'm talking about, though. Blushed. Real cute.
So as you can see, I really like this, and it's like she been used like a good bit. She been really been through it, you know, because she's cute. But I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foils in the shade Mimosa Sunrise, and just brush it all over my cheeks and on the corners of my eyes, like my highlighting technique. I'll just show you guys really quick, like what I'm gonna do with this. I'm just highlight with it basically. This is my highlighter. Okay. So as you can see, this Fenty highlighter is bomb. It looks so amazing, and when the light hits it, like in direct sunlight, it looks sis, it looks amazing. It makes you look like a blessing. It makes people look at me like, do I need to have you in my life?
Yes, you do.
you do have to have in your life and subscribe to my YouTube channel while you at it. So for the eyes, I'm just taking a little bit of the shade Played Out, that nice brown shade, and adding it to my crease to give my eyes some depth, you know what I'm saying? You know, we love depth around here. We love for things to get nice and deep, you know what I'm talking about? Personalities and stuff like that, you know, we want somebody who can actually have deep intellectual conversations and stuff like that, you know, and not just be like looking at you on Instagram because you're cute or whatever. Like when they message you, they DM you, they're actually talking about something, like not just talking about getting deep, you know. So now we have like a little bit of depth put in the eyes. I'm just gonna take the shade Unbothered and place that in my inner corner. Ooh, honey, so the eyes, I highlighted and everything like that. And y'all know I love to bring the highlighter like a little bit lower here. I think it just gives like a really pretty, soft, angelic look and like just makes everything glow all together and it just looks so, so beautiful. So last thing I was gonna put on my lashes, some really big bold lashes, which are gonna be the K-Face Beauty lashes, the Kim Thai Lionhearted lashes that everybody know and love. They're really, really bold. Mine are a little bit jacked up because they're real old and whatnot, but they mean I'm gonna make them work finesse them, and if they come out not looking cute, I'm gonna just face tune the hell out of them. Alright you guys, so here we go, we back or whatever. I got my golden candy bar Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory golden ticket on my lip, on my upper lip right here. I'm gonna keep this bow area. And then I, you know, got like a fresh set of lash extensions, you know, super natural and everything. Now I'm gonna go in with the lips and finish off this look and then go apply my wig and everything like that so we can be super fishy, honey, and just be real cute and just like, you know, complete the transformation, okay? But the lipsticks look like this. These are the Morphe, the new Morphe lipsticks. The packaging is really, really dope, really innovative. Haven't really seen too many, like so much packaging like this. It just gives me like an X-Men type of vibe, like a superhero bad bitch or whatever. And I'm going in with the orangey shade, and this is in the shade Tease. I'm just gonna apply this lipstick, and I'm not using a liner or anything because I tried this yesterday actually, to be honest with you. I think it's gonna look good because I already have like a dark outline on my lips and like lighter on the inside, so I think it's gonna look really, really cute. So just watch me put on lipstick, I guess. I don't know why, but I feel like I applied that super messily. But this lipstick is actually really, really pretty, really creamy. It wasn't too hard to apply or anything like that. So congratulations, Nikita girl, Nikita Beach, Nikita that pussy stand and everything. This is really, really pretty, and I don't really go for orangey reds. Most people don't really go for it unless it's like a mood, like a vibe, like you just need to pull out that orangey red, you know what I'm saying? If you know me, then you know I love me a true red, like that blue tone red that makes your teeth look so, so white. But this looks really great, and I'm feeling it. I got a whole vibe for it. I'm gonna like put on a different shirt and stuff, and you're gonna see it's gonna be real cute. So yeah, like I said, congratulations, Nikita. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, like spruce up and finish this transformation catfish for the gram or whatever. Catch this sunlight really quick and hopefully not too late for my date. So I'll be right back for you guys. Happy birthday to me. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much it for the look. This is the completed look, you know. I got my Brazilian synthetic bundles sewn in real quick too. You know, like I said, I got like my little lash fill in, real natural like and stuff, you know. Serving like, you know, everyday fish. Duh. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, you guys. I hope you guys actually learned something from this video, maybe just seeing my steps and seeing like what I use, what I do, how I perform it and whatnot. Even though it's super quick, super rushed, and not like that informative. If you guys want like a super informative full-on makeup look, like where I talk through everything, that I'll be glad to do that for you guys. But overall, I'm happy with the way this looks. My wig is not super, super laid, but it's gonna be cute or whatever. I'm just face tuning the hell out of the picture anyway, as y'all know, because I'm a fake ass. Not really though, but that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much like I did as well. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure the notification bell is on. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram to see the pictures like of me catfishing on a gram, sis. Like, you wanna, trust me, I think you're gonna wanna see these, okay? If you guys want like a full collection, like swatch video on like these lipsticks on darker skin, then sis, I got you. I will do it for you, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next upload. Bye, guys.